Hello friends. Today I am going to share my knowledge on Python. So whatever industry you are working on now, if you know Python, I think it's game changer for you. So just I am going to share my knowledge from the scratch, from the basic to advanced level, uh, one by one. Okay, you can start watching my videos on Python and you can start learn it. So for installing Python, just you can go to the Python website um, and download the version. So it's very simple. So downloads you can all releases if you see. Uh, don't go with the latest. You can go with 3.9 or 3.11 and you can download and install it. It's very easy. Then you can uh, just to go with some YouTube search, you will find the perfect video for Python installation. Okay. So why we are learning Python? So most of the people say Python is easy to learn, and if you are working on any technology like database, front end, data analytics, whatever it may be, if you are want to automate those technologies, you need Python. So how the libraries, the predefined libraries helps a lot to do the activities easy and fastest way, and learning also easy because it's like English. So similar way you can learn it. So let's start with first session. First session, just I want to show just I install Python 9. Just I can go to the command prompt and I can show what is the Python version. If you install Python, then if you type py, then it will show what which version Python. So I installed 3.9. So this is the Python version. So, okay, I am using it. So in the programs, so so if you see C++, Java, we have to uh, write the code to import libraries. But like some libraries we can import like standard input output. So not for Python, not only those standard libraries, we can import multiple libraries based on the need basis. Example, I want to use some OS command, CLS command. If you clear the screen, just I want to import OS, then I can uh, so I can OS dot system dot system so CLS. So directly I can call the OS command. It will clear the screen. Similarly, we can import the libraries and start using it. Okay. So if you want to print something, generally we can use the print and within double quotes, we can write the world of Python. Okay. So within double quotes, string always will give the double quotes. Just enter, it will show the uh, so similar way, if you want to print anything in the screen, you can use print command. Okay. So and if you want to um, it's always Python, it's handles everything as object. So um, if you want, we can pass with multiple parameters. So if you want to um, put new lines, slash n, it's a new line. So it will give one more new line once it's enter into the command. So this is the command, and so if you see, so it will give one more. Default online it will give. If you want more, then you can put two slash and then it will be we are getting two empty space. This is the way we can use print command. So if you want to run multiple commands, you have to write it as a sequence of instruction and you can run it. Okay, example, if I am going to write uh, Python script, so just for notation, I can write it Python 3. I'm using it. So always use some editor uh, to write the code. Okay. So example, I am importing OS library, sys libraries. These two I am using it. So just I am putting my first command. So os.system uh, cs. So this is the command. Just I am putting the front. So enter the folder Python. So one just if you want to um, write sequence of commands, you can write it. And go. We can so in the room. So it's like English. We can write it, then it will. So just saving the file. Just you can save us. So some file. Python. You just I am putting script 01.py. So I am running. Just I am copying this path. So if we are in the command prompt, I am coming out. Just exit. I came out. Just I am going to this path. This folder. Just I am going to here. CD here. Still it's showing. See, just you view D colon, then it will show the path. So here, just I am going to run this file. While running the script, just you put py, and this is just one because we are already in the path. So just py, just then it automatically run, and it will show that. So you can give set of instruction and you can uh, run the script. So whatever the instruction you want to give, you can give it in the script and you can call it in the uh, in Python prompt. Okay, that's the way we can use it for a lot of automation. See nowadays, most of the automation they are using Python. So if you know the Python, it will be the game changer. You may be a DBA or developer, uh, a tester, whatever skill set you may be. But if you know Python, I can say it will change your career into 360, uh, 360 degree. So try to learn it. So whatever knowledge I have, I start sharing it. You go through video one by one and post your questions, whatever you want to know in the Python. So I will be posting the videos continuously, one by one, starting from basic to advanced. So today just introduction and I explain about print. So tomorrow, next video, I will post how to declare the variable, how to handle the variables in the Python. Okay. Uh, Thank you.